Are you thinking about buying PointsYeah? There are some things you definitely need to know before making that decision, especially if you're weighing it against competitors in the same space. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the insights you need to make an informed choice. First off, if you're looking for a straightforward and user-friendly rewards platform, PointsYeah is one of the best on the market. Unlike some of its competitors, PointsYeah doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features or complex setups. You can get started quickly, and it offers solid rewards for everyday purchases. If you've been considering alternatives, you'll notice that many other services come with hidden fees or complicated terms, which can quickly turn your experience sour. With PointsYeah, that's not the case. Next thing to consider is the customer support. When it comes to loyalty programs, this is a big one. PointsYeah stands out here because their support team is accessible and genuinely helpful, unlike some other platforms that make you jump through hoops just to get basic assistance. If you've ever felt frustrated trying to resolve an issue with a competitor's reward service, you'll appreciate how straightforward and responsive PointsYeah is. The fourth thing you should know is the flexibility of their reward system. While many competitors lock you into specific rewards or partnerships, PointsYeah gives you a variety of options to redeem points. You can use your points on travel, shopping, or even gift cards, choices that other services don't always offer. This makes it much more adaptable to your lifestyle, especially if you like having options when it comes to how you spend your rewards. Next thing is that PointsYeah integrates with most major credit cards, so if you're already using a rewards card, it's easy to sync everything up. This is a huge advantage compared to other programs that require you to only use their platform or deal with limited integrations. By allowing users to consolidate their rewards, PointsYeah gives you more ways to earn without forcing you into a rigid system. Another thing to keep in mind is the ease of use. The user interface of PointsYeah is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. If you've used other platforms, you know how frustrating it can be when the app or website is cluttered or confusing. PointsYeah keeps things simple and efficient, which is perfect if you don't want to waste time trying to figure out how to use the platform. Now you also want to think about the value you're getting. In terms of overall benefits, PointsYeah is highly competitive, especially considering its minimal fees and the generous reward structure. A lot of competitors charge extra fees on redemptions or have limited options, but PointsYeah keeps it straightforward, making sure you get the most out of your points. Lastly, if you're after a long-term solution, PointsYeah has great retention programs that ensure you keep getting value over time. Many reward programs start strong but fizzle out over the years, offering diminishing returns. PointsYeah consistently delivers value, with regular updates and new partnerships that keep the platform fresh and relevant. If all this sounds good, and you want to try out PointsYeah for yourself, click the first link in the description below to grab the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. It's a risk-free way to see if PointsYeah fits your needs, and I promise you'll be impressed by how easy and rewarding it is to use. Don't miss out.